Have you ever considered dogs as nature's secret allies? Meet Amber, a border collie with an astounding ability to detect invasive plant species. During a conservation project, Amber's keen sense of smell helps her human team identify and eliminate ecological threats before they spread. This unexpected skill ensures the protection of native habitats and highlights the extraordinary ecological contribution dogs can make. By participating in environmental preservation, Amber showcases the remarkable bond between humans and dogs, demonstrating an extraordinary yet largely unsung canine capability.